Hi guys, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to find or solve the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation from a frequency distribution table or group data. So the formula for the sample mean is given by x bar or mean is equal to summation of f times x divided by summation of f, where f is the frequency and x is the class mark or midpoint. Ibig sabihin yung gitna o yung middle value. And summation of f or n, this is the number of sample, okay, or samples. For sample variance naman, the formula is given by s squared is equal to summation of f times the quantity of x minus x bar close squared divided by summation of f minus 1. And for the sample standard deviation, ito yung square root ng variance natin. Okay, so ito yung mga formulas na gagamitin natin. So now, dito guys, kapag sinabing group data, in-expect natin, meron tayong table, no? Ayan. So, kaya nga group data, naka-organize na siya. Okay? So, let's answer the example. The scores in business math of randomly selected grade 11 GAS students are shown below. Solve the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. So, we have scores and frequency. So, guys, dito, we have scores na nag-range sa 60 to 64, and then we have the corresponding frequency, which is 1. So, meaning, from 60 to 64, so, ang estudyante doon ay nakakuha ng 1. From 65 to 69, so, meron dun dalawa. 70 to 74, we have 2 din. So, ganun lang. Okay? So, ang goal natin dito is to find or solve for the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. Okay, so, let's have a solution. So, tandaan natin yung formula natin, guys. Ayan. So, dito, class, sinulat ko na yan. So, to find for the class mark, yan, class mark or midpoint, ibig sabihin, isa-solve natin or ipag-add natin yung lower boundary plus upper boundary and then divided by 2 to get the class mark or midpoint. Okay? So, 60 plus 64, 124 divided by 2, that is equal to 62. So, ulit. So, lower boundary added by upper boundary divided by 2. So, 60 plus 64, that is 124 divided by 2. That is equal to 62. Gets? Okay? So, 65 to 69. So, 65 plus 69 divided by 2, that is 67. Next, so we have 72. And then 77. 80 to 84, that is 82. And then 87. 90 to 94, so ang middle value nan or midpoint ay 92. And then we have 97. Okay? So guys, dito, yung frequency natin muna, ipag-add natin yan. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Plus 8, 20, 26, 30, 35. So therefore, so summation of summation of f equals 35. So we have 35 number of samples or students, right? So here, we have f times x. So meaning, ito yung f natin, i-multiply natin kay class mark or midpoint. So f times x. Ito kasi yan, guys. Ayan. So 1 times 62, that is 62. 2 times 67, that is 134. Tama? And then 2 times 72, so 140 plus 4, 144. Okay. So 4 times 77, that is 308, right? So 308. And then 6 times 82, so that is 492, right? So, 492. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so 8 times 87. Okay, so medyo malaki na. So, gamit tayo ng calculator. So 8 times 87, 696. Gets? And then 5 times 92, so 460, right? Okay, 460. And then 7 times 97, so 7 times 97, so 679. Okay? So guys, dito, balikan natin yung mga formula. Okay? Kasi dito, we have summation of fx, f times x. Okay? So meaning, get the summation of this column. Gets? Okay. So pag pinag-add natin yan guys, so we have 62 plus 134 plus 144 plus 308 plus 492 plus 696 plus 460 plus 679 with a total of 2,975. Okay. So summation of f of x, f times x equals, so pag pinag-add natin yan ay 2,975. So, nasundan ba ako guys? Okay, next. So, dito, we have x minus x bar. Kasi sa formula natin, so we have x minus x bar. Okay. So, meaning, i-compute muna natin yung sample mean natin. Okay. So, compute natin. For the sample mean, ayan. The formula is given by, what is our formula? Okay, so we have x, or x bar, is equal to summation of fx, or f times x, summation of frequency times the class mark or midpoint, divided by summation of f. So guys, dito, let's plug in or substitute the summation of fx, so which is 2,975. So guys, kasi mas maganda, naka-table siya, which means organized. So, ipa-plug in lang lahat natin para hindi tayo marito. So, summation of f, which is 35, right? So, dito guys, makakuha natin yung sample mean. Okay. O yung x bar natin. So, 2,975 divided by 35, that is equal to 85. Okay? So, x bar natin or sample mean is 85. Nakuha? Okay. So, dito guys, we have x minus x bar, which means, so yung x natin, okay, minus the mean, okay, or the sample mean. So, 62 minus 85, 67 minus 85 hanggang dito. Gets? Okay. Kasi nga, x minus x bar, ito yun guys, yung class mark natin or yung midpoint. Yung x bar natin, which is the sample mean. Gets? Okay, so we have 62, right? So, minus 85, that is equal to negative 23. Walang problema guys kung nag-come up tayo ng negative. Later on, i-squared naman natin yan. Magiging positive din naman. Okay? 67 minus 85, that is negative 18. And then, 72 minus 85, that is negative 13, right? And then, 77 minus 85, that is negative 8. Tama? Okay. Next, so 82 minus 85, negative 3. And then 87 minus 85, we have positive 2. And then 92 minus 85, we have 7, right? And then 97 minus 85, so we have 10, 12, right? Okay. And then, we need to square, right? Okay. square natin yung magiging sagot natin dito, guys. Ito yon. Okay, kaya x minus x bar, squared natin siya. Okay, so 23 squared, that is equal to 529. Okay, so negative 23 times negative 23, that is equal to positive 529. Okay, so dito negative 18 squared, that is 18 times 18, 324. Tama? Okay, so 13, negative 13 squared, that is 169. So 8 times 8, 64. Since negative naman yan, magiging positive. Okay, negative 3 squared, that is equal to positive 9. And then 2 times 2 ay 4. 7 times 7 ay 49. Right? Then 12 times 12 is 144. Okay. So dito guys, tignan natin sa formula natin. So we need to get the summation. Tama? Okay. So get the summation. Kaya ipag-add natin to guys. Okay? So meaning, ipag-add natin yan. Itong second to the last column, 529 plus 324 plus 169 plus 64 plus 9 plus 4 plus 49 plus 144 with a total of 1,292. Okay? So, summation, gamit ako ng red pen. Summation of, yan, x minus x bar squared is equal to 1,292. Okay? Gets? So, next. So, we have last column. Okay. So, dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, so we have what? Okay, so f times the quantity of x minus x bar close squared. Okay. We have frequency, right? Times ito. So, this one. So, 1 times 529 is 529. Nasundan ako. And then, 2 times 324. That is 648. Tama ba? Okay. And then, 2 times 169. So, 338. Tama? Okay. Next, so 4 times 64, 256 yan. And then 6 times 9 is 54. And then 8 times 4, 32. 5 times 49, that is 245, no? Tama? And then, 7 times 144, medyo malaki. Hindi na kaya ng brain cells. Okay, 7 times 144 is 1,008. Okay. So, 1,008. So, dito guys, get the summation of the last column. Summation of f, ayan guys, times the quantity of x minus x bar squared. So, ito guys ay gamit tayo ng calculator, 529 plus 648 plus 338 plus 256 plus 54 plus 32 plus 245 plus 1,008. So, with a total of 3,110. Okay, so 3,110. Now, okay, so let's compute for the sample standard, sample variance muna tayo. So, for the sample variance, the formula is given by So we have S squared is equal to summation of F, yan, times the quantity of X minus X bar, close squared. So all over, so summation of F minus 1. So plug in lang guys, substitution tayo. So eto guys, ayan. So tingin tayo sa table natin, eto na yon. Kaya kinuha natin summation ng last column. So this is about 3,110. Okay? So we have summation of F, which is 35 minus 1 kasi sa formula natin yan. Okay, so 3,110 divided by 34. So guys, dito gamit tayo ng scientific calculator. So 3,110 divided by 34, that is 91.47. Okay. So yun yun guys. That's the value for the standard, for the sample variance. Okay. So now, let's compute for the sample standard deviation. Sample standard deviation. So what do we know about sample standard deviation? So get the square root of the sample variance, and the formula is given by S is equal to, ayun yung pinagkaiba nila guys, is equal to square root of, so guys, ito lang yon, summation of F times X minus X bar, close squared. And then, ayan, summation of F minus 1. Okay? So guys, dito, plug in lang natin yan, square root of, kahit hindi na tayo mag-isa-isa, ito rin yun guys, and then magka-come up tayo sa 91, square root of 91.47. So guys, dito gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator. So square root of 91.47, that is 9.56. Round your answer up to 2 decimal places. So that is 9.56. Dapat ni-remove na natin yung radical sign. So that's the answer for sample standard deviation. Okay, so this is how we solve or find the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation of group data using a frequency distribution table. So hanggang dito lang yung video natin guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.